Hello everyone. Welcome back to another post-market review and analysis on the Traders Act channel. I'll just be going through my thoughts on today's price action. I didn't take any trades today, and I'll go into why, but it's pretty straightforward. So starting on the daily chart, we can see that we still have this previous month high SMT intact. So ES and YM closed above it while NQ did not. So this is still intact, so we could see some low prices from here. However, we'll have to see more of a confirmation before that. If NQ does decide to close above this previous month high, that would negate the SMT, and then I'll just expect higher prices. So we've got this previous month high SMT here. Dropping down to the 6-hour chart, we don't have a previous week high SMT because I'm sorry. No, we do. We do have a previous week high SMT. So on ES, the candle bodies closed above previous week's candle bodies high, while on NQ and YM it did not. So that is a previous week high SMT as well, although it would be fully confirmed if we had a change in the state of delivery here. Oops. But we don't have that yet, but this is still building a decent framework to look for possible sells today. So we have a previous month high SMT, a previous week high SMT. Now if we drop to the 90-minute chart, this is the range we're in. We're in this bullish impulse. We tapped into this fair value gap here. This one here. Anyway, and we did have a hidden previous day high SMT. So if you look at the candle bodies, ES candles bodies made a lower high, so did NQ. But on YM, if you can see here, there was a higher high in the body. So there was a body to body SMT on the highs. So going into today, I was expecting lower prices due to the stacked bearish SMTs we had. Previous month high, previous week high, and now previous daily high. So all that I would need now is a lower time frame SMT, either a previous session high, a 15-minute SMT, or a 5-minute SMT to take price lower. And my targets, if I was going to go low, would, of course, be previous daily low. But we also have, if I just show NQ, we do have some pretty clear targets. We have previous day low, we have these lows over here. So there's quite a bit of liquidity resting down here. So this would be my kind of where I'd be wanting to take the sell towards. Okay. Well, when we go to the lower time frame as SMT, we did not have a previous session high SMT due to all the assets closing above previous session high. So we didn't have a 15-minute SMT to enter off. And so we would check the 5-minute chart. I'll just show my journal here. Oh, also we have today was CPI news release at 1:30 p.m. So according to my model and my plan, I'd have to let that news release come out first before looking for trades. So I put it here on the journal in the 5-minute chart, we didn't have an SMT, so there's no way I could have entered on this IDS. So this is how it looked at the time. As you can see, there's no SMT here, no hidden SMT. So overall, we had a good framework to look for sales today. However, I did not get the low time frame SMT to enter off. So that's that. And as you can see, price did have a decent run down, for sure, from up here where I was looking at it. It did move quite a bit lower. Now, however, price is going higher. Not too interested in doing anything today. I feel like, the opportunity was in that first quarter. But yeah, so I would probably just let today pass and come back tomorrow and see if there's anything a bit more clear, and yeah, take it from there, really. So yeah, I didn't mention it before yesterday, but the accounts that I am currently trading is a FTMO account. I'm trading an FTMO account that I'm currently minus 1.5% in drawdown. As you can see here, 98,500. So that's one account. And I also have an account with, I can't get in, but I have an account also with my funded futures. So those are the two accounts I have underway right now. But yeah, today pretty boring day. Nothing happened really. Couldn't enter off anything, and but that's how it is sometimes. I mean, the most important thing is that I followed my plan and my model, and followed it to the best of my ability, and I know that over a long term I will come out on top. So yeah, nothing to do really today, just wait for another day, a more clear day, and yeah, that's about it. So this was really all of the analysis for today. So I'll see tomorrow what's up. There is a possibility that we can form another 5-minute SMT, but I mean, just the way price has moved today doesn't inspire the most amount of confidence. I mean, it went down a lot and then it's chopping up. Basically, didn't really do a ton the whole day. So yeah. Anyway, but that's it for today's market review, and I'll be back tomorrow for another one. See you guys.